Okay, so I think I've decided on what I wanted, and we're gonna go ahead and start with the, oh, you know what? Hold that thought. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I found was these ribbons, and I'm thinking of using maybe the summertime one that has a little bit of orange, that has a little bit of yellow with the green, so it kind of goes together. I also have this one here, but the flowers are already on there, and then I have this pink one, some little circles, and I have this one, bubbly. This is another one. They're really pretty. These are sheer with wires, so really adorable. I like those. I'm liking the green with this because these two match, and then these two. I think that's pretty. And then some green to go ahead and just kind of make it a little bit more cohesive. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bow I'm going to follow. Not sure if you guys are ever have watched, probably you have, Olivia's Romantic Home. The bows that she makes are amazing, and what I've taken from that is that she does big loops. I'm not intending to keep this. I'm going to use it, and that's it. So I'm going to go and make huge bows. She calls it the Olivia bow because they're Olivia's. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I remember on her videos, and I'll link her videos down below, her channel. But basically she takes the ribbon, and I think she does 4 wraps. So let's see how much we can get out of this. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Might be a little extreme because it is long. And then she pinches it right in the middle, and she makes these beautiful bows. Might be a little too big, so we're going to go half on that, and then from there we're going to go smaller, and that way, don't know if I want to start on that one. I think I want to start on this one first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go about that big. I have a measuring tape around here. I have a ruler. I'm going to say 13, but I'm going to go 12, so that way I can cut it right in half. Oop. Yep. About 13 inches. And 12 inches, I'm sorry, 12 inches. We'll just keep wrapping it. So the next one's going to be 10 inches, which is going to be this one. This one's going to be the 10 inches. And then this one's going to be tad in the middle. So we'll see what happens. Probably 10, 8. Sorry if I'm out of frame. Yeah, because like I said, I really don't plan on keeping this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. And then let's cut that up. Okay. And then fold it in half. And now you know where your middle's at. You're going to go ahead and just pinch there. Okay, I'm going to take one of these guys. It's not going to be seen, so I'm going to take one of these pipe cleaners and I'm just going to wrap it around. tighten it as much as I can. Cute. Okay. And then we're just gonna fluff it. Okay, and there we are. There's 3 little. On the other side, we got a little. Where are you at? Over here. Okay, let's see if we can get that. We'll cut those too. And you just keep moving them, fluffing them. If they have the wire, it's easier to fluff them. Okay. And once they're on the wreath, I'll go ahead and fluff them some more. Now, this one's a 12. Let's start on the 10. Let me get some water. I'm on the drink a gallon of water a day, especially during these hot days. And this is what I'm using to drink water. 64 ounces, and I drink 2 of these a day. Okay, now let's go on with this one. This one's going to be the 10, and this one's going to be the 8. So, there we go. Same thing. Fold in half. And then you're just going to go ahead and wrap it right into here. You know what? First, let me take out the tails. There's one. And here's the other. Perfect. Okay, now we pinch. I'm going to twist these so that way I have one of each on each side. And then we're going to go ahead and tight little bow there. Okay, and then hopefully the other one would fit in there. And the same thing, try to get all of your, if I can find mine. Your little bottom parts to the same side. Okay, and then same thing, we're just gonna take these apart and fluff them up. And the more you fluff them, the better they're gonna look. I think that's gonna look really cute. Don't know if I should add the pink on the fence, and I don't think I will. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just tie it right in the middle and start putting the flowers right there. Okay, guys. So once it's nice and dry on there, I've been thinking of putting another one of those pipe cleaners right on the middle. Well, where's my hose? Right there. So the middle's that big old bump. Remember I told you you're not going to be able to see the styrofoam ball, and what I'm doing, I'll turn it around. Taking it to the back. And I'm just going to wrap it as tight as I can. Okay, and there we are. Okay. And we'll fluff that up as soon as all my flowers are in there. And just basically just fluff, fluff. Make it nice and bulky and full. And I'm going to put a nice, to offset it a little, I'm going to put one of these yellow ones right in the middle. And that's where we're going to start. Just put a little bit of hot glue in there. Make sure you don't stick your finger in there. Let that dry. Now, to make sure we have how to hang it, I'm going to go ahead, I should have done this before, I'm going to run, if I can, right there, some jute rope so I can hang it. I don't think I need much. That's about it. But since we need to go ahead and tie it, let's go ahead and do that before we get too crazy. Okay, now, so this doesn't loosen up, I'm going to put some hot glue in the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, that's going to be right there, if you guys can see that. Okay, and that's just going to hang there. So stay tuned for our garden tour. I'm working on it. We've got some construction coming through. Beginning a block wall on one side of the house. The other side is going to get some lattice onto the brick wall, or the block wall, because I don't have any yet. So stay tuned for that. Alright, and then right here, we're going to put another little flower right there. So I guess the pink would have been okay, but I just thought maybe the pink is a little too much. So I'm going to continue doing this, and you guys can watch. Just gather some flowers, some ribbon that you have around the house. Go ahead and put it together and just have fun with it, you know. At the end of the summer, you can take it down, take your water hose and probably, you know, put it away for next summer if it's still good. I don't know how bad the heat is going to be in your area. Here it gets to 105 we got once, but that's as high I think we got. I'm not sure the record highs here, so okay, making sure that it does grab the glue. So yeah, enjoy me putting down some flowers, and I'll be back. Well, I really hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, ring that bell, and don't forget to go ahead and comment. See you guys for next time.